Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an event to your calendar on the Meetup application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should search for an event that you are interested in, so tap on the home or the explore button, and after finding the event that you are interested in, you should tap on it and then scroll down until you find the date of it. Then click on it and tap on add to calendar. Click on OK in order to allow the application to have access to your phone's calendar. And as you can see, this event has been added to your calendar, so that's how you can add it. Basically, that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.